Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and we are out in our 100-year-old barn. Everyone seemed to like it when I filmed in here before, so I thought I'd use this for my scary building. It is. I would not want to sleep in here. I love this barn, let me tell you. There is a feed bin that the black cat is just now coming out of. We do have barn cats and farm cats, and that's a very good thing. Today I am doing the Dolls Gone Goth with J Dolls UK for the last time. I am sad to tell you that Jay will not be hosting the Dolls Gone Goth any longer, but she has invited someone else to co-host with me, and we'll talk about that in a minute. I just wanted to show you my Wednesday Addams, the Ghost, and Gothea out here in the barn. I dropped the Wednesday Addams. She's so pretty. Just dropped her right down in the dirt. This is a dirt floor. Just dropped her right down on it. So here we are. The new host for Dolls Gone Goth, I'm very excited about, but I'm very sad to say that Jay will not be hosting with me. Nope, she and I did not get into any arguments or any drama like that at all. Jay is a near and dear YouTube dolly friend. I love her. She has asked Dory's Dollies to join us, and I want to tell you something about Dory. I want to tell you 100 things about Dory, but Dory has told me more than once that when Jay and I started doing the Dolls Gone Goth, she was excited about it because kind of her thing. Anyway, thank you, Dory, and thank you, Jay, for these. I believe we've been doing it. I think this is the third year we've been doing the Dolls Gone Goth. I want to thank everybody that has ever joined in, and I want to invite you to join in every month on the 16th. On the 9th, we will let you know what the theme will be. I'm seeing all the little kitties going back and forth. They're excited we're out here. And then we do our videos on the 16th. On to other business, I do want to mention a channel for our holiday cheer. Dolls Rescued is hosting a holiday cheer, and it works like this. I'm going to try to say it fast. I choose a channel from among my active subscribers. That is, they watch my videos, like my videos, and leave a comment. I say their name, and then I ask all of you to go to their channel, subscribe, like their video, and write in their comments, in a second comment, leave your usual comment, and then in a second comment, wish them holiday cheer. And then go through all of their comments and give each one of those a like. And what that will do is push them up in the algorithm. It's a nice way to send a holiday cheer without writing a Christmas card. And today's channel is going to be Karen at Starts and Stitches. And if you do not watch her channel, you are missing out. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.